Hey, welcome to Sonny's the Car Wash Factory. I'm Anthony Analetto. I'm here at Prestige Car Wash, one of my playgrounds for new equipment. This over here is a place we're going to show you my new flex coupling. The regular flex couplings, as we've always been trying to do, is to restrict them, make them have a little bit more control so we can wash the car with more damage-free and better cleaning action and better penetration on the front and the back of the car, as well as the sides. This coupling here was designed with my engineering department and a new company that we met with that allows us to put this coupling in place where it's actually spring-loaded. It's actually got tension built into the coupling. So in your hand, in our hands, we can't even budge it. It won't move, but it'll give us 30 degrees motion. So from the bottom, we can get that full rotation that we would have from a coupling, yet the way it's designed, when it's on the car, it's just got enough tension and enough load to be present and wash the car safely. Yet that little bit of pressure also helps us come across the back of the car and get the back real well. It's never violent, doesn't come swinging off the car. It's always in control. And again, this is one of those neat features, which is an easy upgrade to any one of your Sonny's wraparounds. So again, the new Sonny's Flex coupling is going to be a great addition to some of your old car wash equipment, and it'll soon be exclusively on all of our new wraparound equipment. And as always, good luck and good washing.